Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your Sprite talk. So I already have this jumping game right here, so this is going to be very easy. So we're going to go to, I think it's in here, looks, and say hello for 2 seconds. Then this needs to wait because it shouldn't be like there should be a fade out time for it. Okay, then wait 0 0.5 seconds. Let's see. Okay, hello. Then you could now jump. And your sprite is now talking. So um that's how you make your sprite talk. It's a very easy process. You can use it anywhere, almost anywhere on your sprite code. So thank you so much for watching. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe because it really helps the channel grow. This is Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.